So this is try 2 of an expansion on how to expand with Kailasa using sacreds only. My last demonstration didn't go very well because it was all 20 pixels wide, so I'm trying a screen capture of just a limited rectangle. Sorry for the size. I have to, full screen apparently does not work. I'm going to try to do this kind of quick to fit into a whole year into a reasonably length video. I may make some mistakes because of that. So we're going to set the boulder research as we usually do. We're going to set them over to alteration. We're going to recruit. In this particular case, we're going to go with going all with gooks here, and a gook general, which is one of the contentious parts of my guide. Pretty bad start. We have a throne next door, which means that we won't be able to expand into that area, and we have 3 other possibilities. We're going to send the scout out to here. We're going to prophetize the commander, and let's see here. Recruiting we've done, moving the scout. Mercs we're not going to use anyway. Check the research, alteration. I think I've done everything. Let's hit the next turn and see where we're at. Alright. Not bad. So we are going to, just so I should explain, just so I should prove something here. This is a Dominion 8 4 Earth 9 Nature Great White Bull. As you can see here from the scales, it's through order 3 sloth, the 2 heat, 3 death, 2 misfortune, and 3 magic. The magic is, this is one of the things that's not really relevant. The game plays well with no misfortune and no magic or less magic. So we have here deer tribes, pretty strong, but we've got a candle there. We've got some heavy infantry and heavy cavalry. That'll be a good target for expansion. And we've got something light here, which is also another good target for expansion. So we are just going to expand using the bull. We're going to send him here. There's nothing here that I think that would be anything too serious for the bull. It's at 253 hit points. I am going to do army setup here. I'm going to set him up all the way in the corner, and with orders to hold, and then attack, and then we'll just say closest. It'll be 5, 9 is fine, and this will hopefully be fine for what we're doing. We're going to go ahead and preach with the commander in order to hopefully get some. We're going to send out the candles for our next turn. We're going to send out the scout to get a better view on what's in town, and we're going to recruit. We are going to go ahead and recruit. We're going to add it. We're going to go ahead and alright, so we built some Divanas, preach that, send the scout. We're going to, looks about like a turn. So the bull, in fact, took the province as we said it would. Feed the battle for people that are curious. It's holding here. We're trying to get some separation. affliction, which I'm never healing wound on the first thing. That's going to put a crimp in our plans. Let's see how it goes. He has recuperation. Alright, so at this point it's just a that city is held by Pegasus riders. We're not touching that. Looking for block points, choke points as I talk in my guide. That's a great choice up there. And in this direction, we have a group of 3 right here with another city possibility, or 3 here. So that wouldn't be bad. Jaguar tribes, we tell people to avoid Jaguar tribes with our, if we're not using a Destroyer of Worlds build. And let's see our hit points. We're just at 203 hit points. So the question is, would I rather Jaguar tribes or wolf tribes? And I think the answer to that is we're going to go into wolf tribes. Alright, so we do want to get this cut off up here. Down below, this is a critical point as well. So I think we're going to send 40 militias, light infantry and heavies and cavalry. So we're going to recruit another Gook here. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more. And that will be the start of our 3rd expansion team. We are going to add our current expansion. We're not going to do anything fancy. There we are. I'm going to put all these things in the command of it. Sorry, thinking. Doesn't matter for a minute. Alright, so where are we going to put these? So I talked about the need of how you can attack groups that have different. So here we have 3 different compositions: militias, light infantry, and heavy infantry. If we give them the opportunity, they'll separate. So we're going to put our troops pretty far at the back, even though we have a commander with a Divine Bless possibility here. So and here we have 30 enemy units, heavy infantry and heavy cavalry. That is a good deal tougher province into which to expand. I think that I will take that in the chance that that we're 30 cavalry is potentially 14 heavy cavalry could be quite serious. But I think that's where we're going to go, because our 3rd party, which will be done by a Gook, will be weaker than this next one. So than this current party. So we're going to attack with our current. So we're going to go here. We are going to put the. We're going to want the. Gooks to be the target. We're going to set them for hold and attack. Closest will be fine because it will be cavalry. We want the Marcadas to come and eat the lance strikes. So by doing this, the Marcados will move forward, and then we want these ones here to predominantly just not get too many casualties. So we're going to have them hold and attack, and they're going to move a little bit slower, so they should catch the tail end of the first fight. I'm going to move I'm going to practice, put these guys over here as a safer location. The duck generals need to eventually to do 5 blessings, and then typically a hold or something like that. But in this, so I'm going to assign this to a hotkey. We'll assign this to a hotkey, and then we have to do here, we're going to do cast a specific spell, Divine Blessing, cast a specific spell, Holy Avenger, cast a specific, and then we're going to smite, Summon of Courage, cast a smite, cast spells. Now for setup, I want him here, and I want the Duck General just a little bit closer. Alright, and we're not going there, so our next question of what's at what, we're going to try to find out this way. So, recruit, we did the recruiting, yep, we're good. Ossuary, Great White Bull took the place. Dubros, as I said, you can expand with no problems. You took no casualties, even though it was heavy cavalry. We got a bad event, which happens when you have misfortune. So we'll view the battle. Here they come in as indicated. They're going after the other ones. Oh well. Happens, there wasn't much of a difference between them. And now, the Gucks are going to come and kick them. Fast movement of the Gucks helping out here. Regenerating a few arrow hits. I think my limit is 15 minutes. I'm right at 13, so I'm going to have to upload this and then hit show you some more turns following. So, thanks for watching.